Before the world ever doubted him, he doubted himself. Not once, not twice, but every single day. And slowly, that voice inside his head became louder than every dream he ever had. Each morning started the same way, alarm ringing, eyes opening, and the same thought repeating. You're not ready. You're not capable. You're not enough. And he believed it, without question. In rooms full of people, he felt invisible. Ideas stayed trapped in his mind. Questions stayed unasked. Because confidence felt like a language everyone else spoke fluently, except him. He didn't fear hard work. He feared failing in front of others. So he chose comfort over courage, silence over risk, and safety over growth. At night, when the world slept, his doubts stayed awake, scrolling through success stories, awards, achievements. He compared their best moments to his worst days. One night, the weight became too heavy, not because he failed, but because he never truly tried. And that realization hurt more than any failure ever could. While cleaning an old drawer, he found something unexpected. A notebook filled with dreams, written by a younger version of himself, a version that still believed. He smiled, not because the dreams were easy, but because they were honest. That boy didn't know fear yet. He only knew hope. For the first time, he questioned the voice of doubt. What if it was wrong? What if belief wasn't magic, but a choice? He didn't change his life overnight. He changed one decision, one action, one brave step forward, despite fear. He failed more than once, but this time failure didn't stop him. Because now he understood, failure wasn't rejection, it was feedback. He spoke up, tried again, learned faster, and slowly, the voice of belief grew louder than doubt. Nothing outside changed first. No sudden luck, no miracle, just a new mindset, and everything followed. One day, he realized he had become the person his younger self believed he could be. Not perfect, but fearless enough to try. If you're doubting yourself today, remember, belief isn't about being ready. It's about starting anyway. Believe in yourself, because that's where every future begins.